Hello, thanks for coming back. Today I'm going to be talking about merging text together using the concatenate function in Excel. I created a simple spreadsheet, first name, last name, and what I want to do is merge those two together. So I'm going to hover my mouse and click on the cell C2, go up here and scroll to function. And here we have most recently used formulas in Excel. If the concatenate function isn't in this, if you haven't used it before, you can also begin to type and just hit enter and select it that way. So highlight that, hit OK. Your text 1 is going to be the first thing in the list that you want to appear. So I'm going to click on A2 for John, and then text 2, I'm going to click on B2 for Smith, hit OK. So you can see it did merge the two together, but there is no space between John Smith. I'll show you how to do that later. I did just want to tell you that another way to get the same result is if you type equals, click on A2, and the ampersand, which is shift and the 7 key, and then click on B2 and you have the same result. In order to get a space in between, similar steps, but there are just a couple extra things you have to do. So I'm going to click on E2 here, go back up to the function. Here I have my formula right here. I'm going to click OK. And instead of navigating over here and clicking, you can also type in. So for text 1, I'm going to hit A2. And text 2, instead of typing in B2 for Smith, I'm going to put double quotes. What you have to understand is anything in double quotes is going to appear. So I want to put a space between John and Smith. So I put my double quote, just one. I'm going to hit the space bar, double quote again. I'm going to go down to text 3. And I'm going to do B2. Hit OK. So you can see here John Smith separated, looks better than the first. If you want, for the rest of the data, just click and drag down, and that formula will be applied to the rest of your data here. If you want to add a longer string, one other thing, go back in here, select the same formula. If I want to add other text, say A2 for John Smith, say I want to say, let's see here, John's last name is Smith. So what I'll do here is I'm going to do the quote, I'm going to do an apostrophe S, end quote. Under text 3, I'm going to need a space, so quote, space, quote. So as you can imagine, what that says right now is John's space, and then here I'm going to say quote, last name is, end quote. I need a space again, so there's a space between is and Smith. So quote, space, quote. Scroll down, and then I'm going to click on B2 for Smith. So John's last name is Smith. And again, we can apply that to the other data on there as well. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you.